Here we are, under the Dodge. That, my friends, is the transmission. And the reason why it's missing all those pieces, and it's disconnected there, so I haven't disconnected the bell housing box yet, or the gearbox mount, because that's got to be, the pan's going to go back on, and a piece of, there's the hoist, and that oil was in there. Yes, that's bits of metal, and yes, that's bits of metal, that was in there, and of course that I tipped through the filter here into there. Now, unfortunately, the metal bits are the only ones that stick to a magnet. There's a lot of aluminium in there. Valve body's good. Not really much sign of the shift kit that was supposedly put in it by, I won't name the gearbox place yet. Give them a chance to respond to see if they're going to help. So anyway, Jack and I, we're going to pull the transmission out later. But first we best take him for a run.